Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the document and saving a copy. This preserves the original. Once done, navigate to File, Options, then Proofing to enable spelling and grammar checks. Make sure to set the correct language and review Ignore settings so Word doesn't skip flagged items. If you use specialized terms, add them to your custom dictionaries. This prevents repeated false positives and speeds up the check. Now you're ready to run the first pass using the built-in tools. You run the check via Review Spelling and Grammar or by pressing F7. As suggestions appear, pause to decide. Change for correct replacements, ignore for proper names, or add to dictionary when a term is valid. Once done, use auto-correct sparingly to fix repetitive mistakes automatically. Also review grammar and style flags. Some are optional based on tone. If a section is language-specific, switch the selection's language and rerun the check. This focused review cuts false positives and maintains accuracy. You complete the process by running a final full document check and scanning highlighted words manually to catch context errors. If Word doesn't flag mistakes, make sure proofing options are enabled and the document language matches the intended language. Once done, inspect custom dictionaries and auto-correct entries for conflicts. If persistent problems continue, repair Office from Programs and Features or reset proofing tools and options. This often fixes corrupt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.